Hello, welcome to the Stand with Maths YouTube channel. This is the Sri Lankan first Olympiad math channel. So here I choose like this question. Let's read this. If A, the unknown symbol B is equal to A plus B divided by 1 plus A minus B squared, then the value of A, 1 unknown symbol, open bracket, 2 unknown symbol, 3 cross bracket is. So they gave 5 answers: 15 over 14, 14 over 13, 13 over 12, 18 over 12 and 5. So I just take my first formula that they given. So I substitute 2 as the A and 3 as the B. So I can write 2 plus 3 divided by 1 plus 2 minus 3 power of 2. So when I solve this one, the answer is 5 over 2. After that, I can write again the previous formula like this: 1 unknown symbol 5 over 3. So again I substitute the first formula: 1 plus 5 over 2 divided by 1 plus 1 minus 5 over 2 squared. So I can solve like this: 7 over 2 divided by 1 plus 9 over 3. So the final answer is 14 over 13. This is my final answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and share with this video with your friends and stay tuned with us.